IDX Everstone has to step back and step away. Ang Regieleki is on their way. Ito na, Fanciful Fireworks mula kay Delphox ang magpapasunog sa templo ng IDX Everstone, followed up by the Leafeon, and the scores come through. Beautiflies will secure the attack. Tampal-sampal, tatalo ng Gyarados ang trap of that Leafeon. Masisecure kaya nila ang latas na konti-konti na kanyang head. Ang daming nasunog doon gamit ng Leafeon, mga kaibigan. The Blastoise try to chase. Etong Unite ng Espeon tama sa lapat ng miyembro ng IDX Aid. Nakakuha pa nga ng ating Citrus Berry at tukang
Balik pa siya.
Bumalik, kaibigan yung Wigglytuff at nakapick up pa nga sila ng dalawa. Sunugan sa itaas at ang Gyarados ang maiiwan na
Is hungry for revenge.
Ito ang Omicron gamit ang ultimate auto 2 people dito ang IDX Everstone getting caught in the storm, and the Beautiflies will reign again supreme. Nako, ang mga hari, ang reyna at ang monarkiya ng Crustle, at mapapauwi din siya sa kanilang bahay. Susundan pa ng konting health ngayon. Nako, Umbreon gets caught up in the storm right again. Nako, Mamoswine, nahuli pa nga ng kanyang mga horn. Nawala ngayon sa ating trono. Yung Delphox natin, konti ang health, buhay pa nga. Mga kaibigan, yung Gyarados natin, konti na lang ang health. Oh my goodness, double KO para sa Espeon for the Beautiflies. Thunderbolt, no? Thunderbolt.
Yung bilog, yung stun, yes.
Tama,
Ngayon, tamang sukatan lang, and Algier is now going in. Huge damage pero low.
Oh! What was the damage, my guy? Pushing forward gamit ang Zero. Ascension Cherubim will leave no survivors. Pikachu, Absol, kayo na lang natira. Nagamitan pa nga ng Thunderbolt, mga kaibigan, or rather ng Unite move, pero mapapagsak din. Sunog ang 5 ng Rag.
Pop, tumatakbo dito ang N-Side Mafia, but they are falling down one by one. Kaya mukhang kailangan nila yung Gyarados dito sa likod. And now Lara with the Trailblaze going in and taking down the Blissey. Isusunod niya ata tong slow bro for a free.
Nandun si Lara sa bush na yun, pero ito na.
Ito na. Yes, pumasok dun sa Delphox. Sobrang dali ng pick-off doon mula sa ating pusa. Magkakalmot na naman ng likod. Etong Meowscarada dyan sa kanyang parada. Yung Leafeon doon na nasa score, maybe that's going to be an advantage kasi madidistract ang Koda ng QR. But they're going to leave their Trevenant behind, at si Solo ang kahoy ngayon. Ganda na possible firework mula sa Delphox. And Koda ng QR is winning the fight! Sa top side wheel, kailangan niyang humabol sa kompetisyon. The surf coming in mula sa ating Blastoise. And the follow through! Tatlong nahila doon mula sa ating Singularity. The Fairy Singularity coming in from Gardevoir will secure that 50 points na babagsak sa ating Tier 1 bottom goal zone. Interrupt dito sa ating support, at ngayon walang atake mula sa Ephemera. Kailangan nilang mag-defend dito. Sobrang daming resources na ginawaldas. At ngayon naubos ang kanilang support. Kita mo naman, Izen Virago, pinauwi lang ng simpleng hyperspace hole, and now they're pushing for the momentum. Oh, Band of Forest, kita mo, Ferdinand as well! What is going on? Sobrang daming nangyayari, 2 KO streak para sa ating Venusaur. Nasundan pa ng laban doon sa ating Trevenant. What is going on? Para maidala ang kanyang mga miyembro straight to the Registeel. Who will pick it up? Venusaur from Ephemera takes it. Izen Virago nag-ahabol ng kalaban, pero sila ang hahabulin pabalik. Mewtwo na-compute ang kanyang sariling goal zone laban sa dalawa. Naitulak pa nga ng field dito at matatamaan ng laser. Nako, Fanciful Fireworks will come in, and there's so many things happening at once. Phantom Forest mula sa ating Trevenant ang magpapakuha ng buhay ng ating support sa Ephemera. And now Izen Virago is on the Regieleki. Who's going to get it once again? It's a flip! It's another flip! Who's gonna get it? Nako! Mew! Nakuha mo na naman! The laser connects! And Ephemera! Ang ating Delphox, maghabol ang ating Rayquaza, rather Meowscarada. Nagkaroon ng efforts at nagamit ng light bomb sa ating mga taga-Ephemera ngayon. Sobrang dami ng suntukan sa ating top right side. But there's 4 out of 5 down!
Playing out of his mind. Ezox, what an escape up against 2 members of Izen Virago. Talaga siya palayo, habol pa rin, habol.
Checkpoint time! Namatay din, na-KO din, at least. Another strategy kasi masyadong distracted sa ating top and bottom sides respectively. Ephemera, of course, going to get all of the points galing sa ating Altaria and Swablu sa Rayquaza pit. Habang naghahabol ang Dragonair, na-KO ang kanyang support, at mag-isa lang siya doon, the double KO. Blastoise, kinailangan niyang tumapensa, kinailangan niyang umatake rather para sa kanyang team, para sa kanyang koponan, pero sobrang konti na kanyang health. The follow-up will be massive! Ephemera takes down 2 members ng Izen Virago. Sasamahan pa nga
Karaja and then ito
Oh, yun na nga, United pero konti ang kanyang health, maki-KO din siya agad ang Eldegoss, the support will get the heals, and now the picks are coming in! Ephemera gets Triqueza, and na yun, Ethan Verago running for the...
this major objective of the game. Now, Inside Mafia trying to find a fight here onto the bot lane with Jade positioning herself onto that bush. It's a 4v3 din sa ating ibaba. Team Inside Mafia, can you hold this one out? That's that Shadow Snake connects, takes down one. Bagsak dito ang Pikachu. It's a 4v3 din sa ating ibaba. Team Inside Mafia, can you hold this one out? That's that Shadow Snake connects, takes down one. Bagsak dito ang Pikachu. The Mimikyu is proving its worth early on to this game and wrecking havoc left and right. 2 KO. Yan nakita natin sa likod. Trying to find Sanshi and actually does so. The United has been popped. Nahuli dito si Sanshi onto the back lane. Here comes Inside Mafia winning that 4v5 exchange. Last one standing. Makakatakas ka pa ba dito? At hindi na. Inside Mafia. Lang Azu providing assistance and coverage for his team. Ito na si Fushi. Ito na ang si Buns. Papasok na sila dito sa loob ng Inside Mafia. Pero Inside Mafia is just running away with it. Talaga kinakaitan nila isa-isa. And Jade continuing to wreak havoc all up. With the Icicle Spears, tumutunaw. Pero Stern left alone. What will you do up against a Fed Glacian? Tatakbo dito si Stern with that berry na pampabilis at mabubuhay pa ata siya dito. What a nice escape coming in from the Slowbro being alive sa lapper.
Coming into this one.
I don't know, pero still possible here for the side of Inside Mafia. Pero actually, Ephemera secures that one down. 2 members down for Team Inside Mafia. Nahabol nila dito yung support and yung central laner. And this could be this push down. Natira na lang dito si Seasons, pati ang ating Slowbro. Pero Gladys just doing wonders on the back lane. Inuubos nila isa-isa. Saan ka pupunta ngayon? Ito na Seasons actually trying to clutch that one out. Pero Team Inside Mafia Eldegoss, and then now it's going to be a flip on who will take the Reggie I sa ating ibaba to the United of Emerald 2-step being popped here by Navi. Navi is just chasing around Apollo. Apollo is now low on HP. Tumatakbo si Apollo dito but it's not going to be enough. Team PNK makilling take. Mo just zoning out, connecting the surf sa ating Buzzwole. So Buzzwole nasa likod, slowly actually being forced and United. Force United Hydro Typhoon actually being committed here as well. Nakita natin ngayon, Glacian just doing Glacian things pero mukhang late na ginamit dito ni Kuzo yung kanyang slow beat sa likod ha.
Pero na battle for the Reggie Leggy. It goes to Navi with the Meow Charada. Then slowly but surely steamrolling coming from PNK Makiling. Ubos, pati pang tubos.
For just ng isa, Navi is now down for the side of PNK Makiling. PNK Makiling still very healthy into this fight. Kuzo ngayon, naiwan mag-isa. Delphax is left alone for this one. PNK Makiling, I think. Tumama pa doon yung Shadow Snake, Shadow Claw ngayon. Tumatama kay Ike Berry. Ike Berry is now down for the side of... Napasama nila yung Gyarados sila sa bot lane para makahanap ng bawi. Pero ngayon Sanshi connecting his skills onto the members of Team Isen Verago. Pero a nice United coming in from Few. Takes down 2 members for the side of Ephemera. Low na dito ang dalawang members dito. Pinapakita ng Ephemera. Actually, the United coming in. The Verdant Anger coming in from the Venusaur ngayon. Habol dito. Habol kaliwat ka ng Isen Verago. Actually taking down 3 members for the side of Team Ephemera and that make that 4 members a 2K. And Isen Verago actually showing signs of life dito sa ating laban ngayon. Pero Kuzo very low on HP. Sanshi just trying to defend. Just trying to stall out this one. Pero hindi pa ata makascore si Irebon sa ibaba. The Solar Blade won't be casted. Sa ibaba naman nag-farm dock in Severine ngayon. 2 pesos sa likod. United being popped. Ngayon Seasons forced to use the Shedinja doll. Pero makakatakas siya doon. The United as well being popped here by Few, but Few is going to be so low and going to go down as well onto na ni Few. Yung Rayquaza now below 50% HP. 3 members now for Team Ephemera. They're trying to take this one. Sino makakuha neto? Na-block yung snipe shot and now Team Isen Verago now has the opportunity to go in. Irie is just taking down this Umbreon and now is low on HP pero Stern naman ang nabigyan in exchange. Team Isen Verago now has the opportunity na mag-push dito sa ating ibaba. Pero Seasons actually landing the huge hurricane on 4 members to take this objective right away kasi padating na si Sanshi with that level 9 Venusaur. Ayan na. Seasons talaga being the savior of this match. Bago pa maka-unite move yung Mimikyu, it gets taken down by the Gardevoir and now Isen Verago onto the chase. Verdant Anger being forced here, being used and connecting to 2 members. 2 members ang bagsak ngayon for the side of Isen Verago and now low HP na ang members nila. 3 season na ngayon ng Ephemera. Ang bawing iniintay nila. Woodhammer does not connect pero the Shadow Snake is there to finish off the remaining members ng ating Team Isen Verago. Few ngayon tumatakbo mag-isa. Tinatry niyang Sunugin
wipe out.
pero wipe out. Magkakaroon tayo ng laban dito. Very Singularity actually connecting onto 4 members of East and Virago. The slow beam connects onto Stern pero walang magagawa masyado dito East and Virago. Few actually being forced to back away pero ang back away niya ay diretso sa base. Ito na ang East and Virago with 3 members. Femera and now the huge team fight has been committing. The Very Singularity actually connects to many members pero grabe yung Unite of Dawn. If you will few make this comeback pero natitira na lang dito is the members of Team East and Virago pero naubos din sila dito is Ephemera dito and then now Jade is just trying to find an opening pero nice Solar Beam coming in and Moonlight Franz connects to 4 members pero Psychic Solar being used here by the Espion. Actually 3 members down for the side of Inside Mafia. What are they going to do now? This Rayquaza sa ating gitna magiging savior na lang dito is si Shen with the Solar Beam at mukhang early niya mababagsak to and who will get it? Who will get it? It's going to be the Blastoise securing the first Rayquaza of this series at this could be Silazay too much for them to handle and here comes Inside Mafia onto the back lane pero here comes the Queen with a sweep onto the side of Inside Mafia. Isa ang pumasok for the side of PNK Makiling at ngayon